Hello viewers, this is a 2023 National Common Entrance Examination past question, and we are on part 1. And the first question that we have here says that we should multiply this and express our answer in what? Roman numeral. Now this 12 multiplied by 3, that is 12 into 3, it will give us 36. And 36 in Roman numeral is what? X, X, X. This X, X, X is 30. VI is what? 6. So automatically 36 is what? SSXVI. We move to question number 2. In question number 2, we are asked to find the prime factors of 24. Now, to start with, 1 is not a prime number, meaning that A is not the answer. And there is also 1 here, and 1 is not a prime number. There is a 1 here, and 1 is not a prime number. Now, in this one now, 2, 3 is a prime number, while 4 is an even number. So, the correct answer to this question is option C. We move to question number 3. In question number 3, we are asked to express 0.6 as a fraction. Okay. Now, which is 0.6 is the same thing as 6 over 10. When we reduce it to the lowest term, 2 will go. 2 into this is 3. 2 into this is what? 5. So, answer to this question is 3 over 5. We now move to question number 4. In question number 4, we are asked how many seconds are there in 60 minutes. Now, 1 minute is equivalent to what? 60 seconds. Therefore, 60 minutes will be what? 60 multiplied 60. And 60 multiplied 60 will give us 3,600 seconds. We move to question number 5. In question number 5, we have 8 men can plough a field in 10 hours. How long will it take 4 men if they all work at the same rate? So what we are going to do is what? 8 multiplied by what? By 10. Then divide by 4. Now, 4 divided 4 is 1. 4 divided this will give us 2. 2 multiplied 10 will give us what? 20. So, the answer to this question is what? 20 hours. We proceed to question number 6, which is the last question in this part, in part 1. The question says that Abubakar received 8 pounds for his birthday. How much did he receive if 1 pound? According to this question now, 1 pound is 450 naira, which is Nigerian currency. Therefore, 8 pounds will be what? You multiply this by 8. 8 multiplied 0 is 0. 8 multiplied this is 40. You carry 4. Then 8 multiply 4 will give us 32. 32 plus 4 will give us 36. So answer to this question is 3,600. So please don't forget to like, share and comment in my video. And remember, like I always tell you, if you are watching me from YouTube channel, you try and do what? And subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you will get notification when I upload new video. But if you are watching us from YouTube, TikTok or Instagram, you give my page a follow. Thank you. See you in part 2. Bye-bye.